Hi, in this video we will learn about animals. Wild animal. Learn with variety of puzzles. Let's follow the excitement of the adventure. Monkey. Let's play.
Let's play!
Animals are hiding.
Can you solve this?
Select the shape that corresponds to the missing piece of the image.
Monkey.
Shadow painting. So, you know what animal appears like this.
Giraffe.
Let's play. Animals are hiding. Select the same animal as the exciting shadow. What animal is it?
Bear. Great!
Let's play. Animals are hiding. Combine animal cut out.
Alligator. Wow!
Let's play. Animals are hiding. Select the shape that corresponds to the missing piece of the
Fox.
image. Animals are hiding. Select the same animal as the exciting shadow.
Koala. Wow!
Shadow painting. So you know what animal appears like this.
Hedgehog.
Animals are hiding. Combine animal cutouts.
Can you solve this?
Like this.
Elephant. Wow!
Animals are hiding. Select the shape that corresponds to the missing piece of the image. like this.
Can you solve
Hippo.
this? Great!
Shadow painting, so you know what animal appears like this.
Tour! Great!
Animals are hiding.
Can you solve this? Lion.
Animals are hiding. Still the same animal as the exciting shadow.
Lizard. Great!
Shadow painting, so you know what animal appears like this.
Monkey. Great!
Animals are hiding. Combine animal cutouts.
Giraffe. Nice!
Animals are hiding. Select the shape that corresponds to the missing piece of the image.
Bear. Great!
Thank you.